Devo meha agus nocht clár garid hagging. This week, Halloween weekend, we have a very short program, 1 hour program, because in the hour preceding our program at 7 o'clock will be a special on the Reachtas na Gaeilge, Martin Tamhiani. So clár nocht, tam úsáidm buin beginish chun bookending in ever, and sach ag styrd and clár, the start and finish the program and bookending with beginish. And Tavranai nocht to Shamar Cartney Wienerchain. The singer tonight is Cartney Wienerchain. O Gugan Barabay, when Nekle Gugan Bilhan Rurik, agus the false Shifera Hule, ach, Vuishi on Baunor and Naiduk Dahado. She won the Shanos competition. This is the weekend for the Reachtas and the Shanos. She won it before the Kearney Red was there. It was a gold medal that time. She won it in 1942. She won 3 medals that weekend, and Joe Henny won the men's competition. So, sin Cartney Wienerchain da Ravran, Kishinon, Fushi Bass, Nedig Dahadenesha, and she died in 1949. Very young woman. She had 1 child and son. No, Shot CD on yes, this is a lovely CD. It's Sorcha Castle and her mother Mary McNamara, with accompanied by Geraldine Cotter. It's the ladies' cup of tea, and it's just very sweet, lovely music. East Clare music. Agus a couple of track to Shannon. Agus since we're in East Clare, I was talking to the man himself yesterday, over in Spain, Martin Hayes. Welcome Here Again is the name of the album that he did. Actually, it's the one I prefer the most, and Dennis Cahill accompanies him on it. Dennis is very good. I hope he's in great order. I have no account of him lately because my call with Martin got interrupted yesterday evening. So, Bertelle, Shahan Kiad Louis Gahanig Macha Liz Ivan Kane. This is the first CD that Liz and Ivan Kane brought out. It's called Under the Diamond, The Eye of the Diamond, and an awful lot of Paddy Fahy tunes on it. So, a couple of tracks in Bertica Sunagum, Tashadanova Bertica, and then stuck in the program is one little track out of Lena Leahy with the Corban Coulé, and there's a very special reason for doing that, and that is during the week yet another member of the choir became a widow. Very young girl, Katrina Tapcoombs we call her, Katrina Creighton. Two young babies, 2 and 3 I suppose, and she lost her husband, a sheep farmer, mountain man, a couple of days ago, buried him yesterday. So we always sing this track got the list too when a member of the women's choir is in trouble. And of course, several weeks ago, one of the founding members of the choir, Marnie Ceoil, lost her husband, Donald Lera, as well. So that's in it tonight as well. So Schnee and Clár. And finally, I have somebody to do a bit of videoing for me for this weekend. And I'll do the number 19 in the COVID series. So you'll have it Sunday evening, the latest. Gurmagav.